BMW Motorrad, the motorcycle division of BMW, has a well-structured production process at the factory, which takes motorcycles from raw materials to finished machines in multiple stages. Here's an overview of the key stages in their manufacturing process. 1. Design and engineering. BMW motorcycles start with design and engineering at the R&D centers, mainly in Germany. Engineers develop concepts, test aerodynamics, and refine performance aspects using computer simulations and prototype modeling. 2. Material procurement and preparation. The factory sources high-quality materials like steel, aluminum, and composites. These materials are then cut, molded, and prepped for different parts, including the frame, engine components, and body panels. 3. Frame and chassis assembly. The core structure of the motorcycle. The frame is assembled. This includes welding and coating to ensure durability. Components like subframes and swing arms are also attached at this stage. 4. Engine manufacturing and testing. BMW engines are either built in-house or sourced from suppliers, depending on the model. Precision machining ensures that each engine meets strict quality standards. The engines are then tested for performance, emissions, and efficiency before installation. 5. Paint and finishing. The motorcycle frame and body panels go through a multi-layer painting process for durability and aesthetics. BMW uses advanced robotic systems and hand finishing to achieve a high-quality surface. 6. Final assembly. The engine is mounted onto the frame. Wheels, brakes, suspension, and electronics are installed. The fuel tank and body panels are fitted. Wiring and software integration take place. 7. Quality control and testing. Each motorcycle goes through rigorous quality checks, including dyno testing, simulated riding conditions to ensure performance, road testing. Select models are taken for real-world ride evaluations, safety inspections, brakes, lights, and electronics are verified. 8. Logistics and shipping. Once the motorcycles pass all tests, they are packaged and shipped to dealerships worldwide for customers. Sure, here's a detailed breakdown of the BMW Motorrad manufacturing process at the factory, covering each stage from concept to final delivery. 1. Design and engineering. The birth of a BMW motorcycle. Before any physical work begins, BMW motorcycles go through an intensive design and engineering phase. This stage involves concept development. BMW Motorrad designers sketch ideas based on market trends, technological innovations. Engineers use CAD, computer-aided design software, to create 3D models of the motorcycle, ensuring aerodynamics, weight distribution, and frame rigidity. Prototyping and testing. Once digital designs are finalized, prototype models are built. Wind tunnel testing helps refine aerodynamics. Virtual crash simulations analyze safety aspects. Suspension, weight balance, and ergonomics are evaluated using test riders. 2. Material procurement and preparation. Sourcing the best components. BMW motorcycles are known for their high-quality materials and precision engineering. The company sources premium materials globally, including high-strength steel and aluminum. 4. Frames and chassis. Lightweight carbon fiber and magnesium for performance models like the M1000 RR. Titanium and ceramic coatings for engine components and exhaust systems. Material preparation. The metal parts go through cutting, bending, and forging. Plastic fairings and body panels are molded for aerodynamics and durability. Special coatings are applied to protect parts from corrosion and wear. 3. Frame and chassis assembly. Building the backbone. The frame is the skeleton of the motorcycle, providing structure and support. BMW uses different frame types depending on the model. Steel trellis frames for adventure and touring bikes. Aluminum twin spar frames for high-performance models. Carbon fiber frames for ultra-lightweight race models. Manufacturing process. Frames are welded and shaped using automated robotic systems. The swing arm rear suspension component is attached. The chassis undergoes stress testing to ensure durability. 4. Engine manufacturing and testing. The heart of a BMW bike. BMW Motorrad produces a variety of engine configurations, including parallel twins, for example, F850GS, boxer twins, for example, R1250GS. BMW's iconic engine design. Inline 4, for example, S1000RR, Superbike, 6-cylinder engines, for example, K1600 GT touring bikes. Precision manufacturing. Each engine block is CNC machined to micron level tolerances. Pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts are assembled and balanced. Engines are tested for power output, fuel efficiency, and emissions compliance. Cold testing. BMW uses cold testing without fuel ignition to check engine rotation, oil pressure, and compression before the first start. 5. Paint and finishing. The aesthetic touch. Once the frame and body panels are ready, they undergo a multi-step painting process for a premium finish. Paint application. Frames and body panels are coated with electrophoretic dip paint, EDP, to prevent rust. Multiple layers of base coat and clear coat ensure durability and UV resistance. BMW's signature finishes, like triple black or motorsport colors, are applied using robotic sprayers and hand polishing techniques. 6. Final assembly. Bringing it all together. At this stage, the motorcycle starts to take shape. Assembly line steps. Engine installation. The tested engine is mounted into the frame, suspension and wheels, front forks, rear shock absorbers, and wheels are attached. Brakes and electronics, ABS systems, traction control, and ride modes are integrated. Body panels and seat. The motorcycle gets its final fairings, seat, and windscreen. Software calibration. The onboard electronics and digital dash are programmed. 7. Quality control and testing. Perfection before delivery. Every BMW motorcycle must pass strict quality assurance tests before it leaves the factory. Types of testing. Dyno testing. The bike runs on a dynamometer to check speed, braking, and power delivery. Road testing. BMW test riders take the bikes for a real-world ride to assess handling, comfort, and performance. Electronics check. Sensors, ride modes, and GPS systems are tested. Safety and compliance. Brakes, emissions, and lighting systems are verified. 8. Logistics and shipping. Ready for the road. Once approved, the motorcycles are prepared for shipment to dealerships worldwide. Final steps. Bikes are cleaned, inspected, and wrapped in protective coverings. Each motorcycle is assigned event vehicle identification number. They are loaded onto custom transport crates and shipped via trucks, ships, or airplanes to BMW Motorrad showrooms. Conclusion: BMW Motorrad's factory production system ensures each motorcycle is built with precision, durability, and innovation. From concept to final delivery, every stage is optimized for performance, quality, and rider satisfaction. I see you want even more details on every stage of BMW Motorrad's factory production process. Let's go deeper into each phase, including the technology, automation, and human expertise involved. 1. Design and engineering, where innovation begins. BMW motorcycles start as ideas that combine performance, aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology. A market research and concept development. BMW studies market trends, rider feedback, and future mobility needs before designing a new motorcycle. Customer demand, touring, adventure sport, electric, etc. Competitor benchmarking, sustainability and emission goals. B. 3D modeling and simulation. Engineers use high-end CAD, computer-aided design software, to create digital prototypes. Aerodynamics are tested in virtual wind tunnels. Frame geometry is optimized for weight, stiffness, and stability. Crash simulations predict how the bike will behave in an accident. C. Physical prototyping and testing. 3D printed models help refine the design. Clay modeling is used for final shape adjustments. Early test mules prototypes are hand-built and tested on tracks and public roads. 2. Material procurement and preparation. The foundation of quality. BMW sources high-end materials from trusted suppliers across the world. A. Metals and alloys. Aluminum lightweight frames. Steel durable chassis parts. Titanium exhausts. High-performance components. Carbon fiber M-series. Superbike. B. Plastics and composites. Fairings made from impact-resistant polymers. Windshields are UV-treated for longevity. C. Material treatment and preparation. Metal parts are heat-treated for durability. Aluminum frames are protective coatings, prevent corrosion. 3. Frame and chassis assembly. The motorcycle's backbone. BMW uses robotic welding, automated machining, and manual craftsmanship to ensure frame precision. A. Welding and construction. Robotic welders create consistent, high-strength frame joints. Hand finishing ensures every weld is smooth. B. Frame types in BMW models. Steel trellis frames gives used in adventure and touring bikes are 1250. Aluminum twin spar frames gives used in sport bikes S1000RR. Carbon fiber frames gives used in M models for extreme lightweight. C. Chassis stress testing. Frames are tested under high loads to simulate real-world conditions. Bending and torsion tests ensure strength. Vibration analysis predicts long-term wear. 4. Engine manufacturing and testing. The powerhouse of performance. BMW engines are built in-house with extreme precision. A types of BMW Motorrad engines: Boxer, twin flat wing, R1250GS, R-Ninet, parallel twin, F900R, F850GS, inline, 4S1000R, RM1000R, 6-cylinder, K1B. Engine manufacturing process. CNC machining creates engine blocks with microscopic accuracy. Hand assembly ensures tight tolerances. a painting process, electrophoretic dip coating, EDP, anti-rust treatment, base coat application. Final assembly. B. Automated versus hand assembly. Robotic arms handle repetitive precision tasks. Seven. Quality control and testing. No compromises. Every BMW motorcycle must pass over 100 quality checks before leaving the factory. Dynamometer testing measures horsepower, torque, and emissions. B. Road testing. Test riders take bikes on simulated city and highway conditions. Handling, suspension, and power delivery are analyzed. C. Electronics and safety calibration. Adaptive cruise control, radar sensors, and TFT displays are checked. Firmware updates and software finalization take place. A pre-delivery process. Bikes are cleaned, polished, and inspected one final time. Protective packaging is applied, especially for long-haul shipping. B. Shipping and distribution. BMW motorcycles are transported via trucks, ships, innovative design and technology, high-end materials and precision engineering, world-class quality control.